So here I am with my future brother-in-law Mo, and his hair grows so fast.
I just want my beard to be like half for one, not just in the corner here fade, and my hair at the sides here will be like tape it, like fade.
Start right here. It was a fresh cut, but we'll see how it turns out. So I accidentally butchered it in the back. So my beloved fiance is fixing it right there because I did it a little too short. But I have to say the grip is super nice. We have this other one. I don't even know what brand it is, but it's super teeny and it makes it really hard to handle in that sense. So now we have it pretty much as short as you wanted it, right, Mo? And the final step will be his beard. So almost done. All right, so we are done. Yay. What do you think, Mo?
Oh, I really love it. The machine, it's really smooth. It's perfect, look at my beard.